You might be thinking, mess, and everybody already knows how to do this. But let me tell you something. Millions of people are still struggling with this exact issue. And today I'm going to show you the right way to do it step by step in less than 2 minutes. Disclaimer, only add your debit card bank from inside wallet or settings, not from random links. Step 1, open your wallet app. Tap your Apple Cash card. Now tap the three dots at the top right. That's the more button. Then tap card details. Tap Add Bank Account or Card or Add Card. Choose Debit Card, then scan your debit card or type it in. Follow the verification steps if it asks for a code. Now let's send Apple Cash to your checking. Go back to your Apple Cash card, tap the three dots again, then choose Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount. Now you'll see two transfer options. If you need your money immediately, select Instant Transfer. This option typically moves your funds to your debit card within 30 minutes, which is perfect for when you're in a hurry. Keep in mind, this convenience comes with a small percentage-based fee, which is always displayed before you confirm. Alternatively, if you can wait, the standard transfer is a great choice. This sends the money to your bank account in 1 to 3 business days, and it's usually completely free. Once you've made your selection, simply confirm the transfer securely using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Sometimes the transfer to bank option might not be immediately visible. If you can't find it, there's a simple solution. First, navigate out of the Wallet app and open your iPhone's main settings. Scroll down until you find and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. In this menu, select your Apple Cash card to access its specific settings. Often this happens because your identity needs to be verified, a standard security measure. Look for a prompt to verify identity and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your information. Once successfully confirmed, the Transfer to Bank option will appear, ready for you to use. That's it. Wallet, Apple Cash, three dots, add your debit card, then transfer to bank. Wait a minute, you over here soaking up all this knowledge about your Apple Wallet and ain't hit subscribe yet? Come on now. If this video helped you out, do me a quick favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button so I know you found it useful. Then make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. That way you'll be the first to know when I drop another time-saving tech tip. Seriously, it's free, it don't cost a thing, and it really helps me keep this channel going. Your support is what fuels these tutorials and allows me to keep dropping quick tips just like this one. I appreciate you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.